guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode we're going to change the exhaust on the sleeper Subaru Forester. Stay tuned. So currently it's got a cutout on the exhaust, and that cutout also acts as a silencer because there's probably about 3-4 feet of pipe before the back. So exhaust goes up, comes back and goes at the stock side, but it is rattling a bit, and when it's closed it doesn't sound good. I don't like it, and when it's open it's just straight pipe and it's too loud to drive. So we're going to put the old APS back onto the original Forester that I did have on the black one, but now I've put the stock one back on that so I can hear my kids talking in the back. Alright, so removing the twins, just getting the APS back on. Now I did redo this for the SG, so hopefully it hangs good, nice and tucked up. Can't really get much on this side. I do have, as you can see, I've got a tow bar, so I can't really put anything really good up on that side. But if this is too loud, we're gonna have to go like a Varex, and we'll just have one side, and I might get a new bumper because this one's seen better days. These pods are actually from a crashed STI, which I molded into the GT one. You can see it's different. Normally the STI one is JDM, so it's shorter here, and it's starting to come apart up there. I did mold my own bit in there. A lot of you probably haven't seen this setup yet. It's not the best. I can't remember when I did it. It's got holes in it, leaking like a little resonator. Did absolutely nothing. Yeah, and there's a cutout. I think it's rattling. Yeah. So this section here acted as a silencer for this part. Here we go. It's going to be loud. It's going to have that boxer rumble. Hopefully it's set up alright for the SF. Alright, it's on, but it doesn't set up very good because of the tow bar. It's hard up against it. And this exhaust mount is stretched. So I got rid of this, which is a small one anyway, and I don't use it. We can get that to set up nice and tucked. Alright, it's all bolted up. Let's start her up. Alright, we're going to start up. I'll take it for a drive later, and if I scrape really bad going out the driveway, we'll get the tow bar off. See if it fits the SG. I'm not sure if it does, because we want to be able to take bikes with this with the boys, because they're getting bigger. We can't just chuck them in the back anymore. So I've got to pull that vacuum line through too. Alright, vacuum line is back into the boot space, and I've just put a screw in it, nice and tight. Alright, hopefully the whole neighbourhood doesn't hear me coming now, but let's do a startup. Alright, we'll get her out a little bit later, and the missus is home after dinner. It doesn't get dark until about 9 o'clock here now, so we should be good. Also, you guys need a charge if we are going for a decent drive. That rev was 4,500 free revving. So let's see how we go. I still need to do the mid pipe. It is going from a 3 down to a 2.5, and then that back section that you saw on the APS, that is the original GT, which is actually bigger than the XT, but that's 2.5. So I haven't got a 3-inch all the way through, but I think she still flows pretty good. Alrighty guys, it's a bit dark. It's 8:30 on a Sunday night. I've got the laptop here. I'll get that started up, get the car warmed up, and we'll go out for a quick drive. It's pretty loud. It probably will be very short drive. See how we go. I'm going to order a silencer for the tip, so 4.5-inch silencer down to 2, and then I can see how it's made, and I might make different size ones for different loudness. Let's see how we go. But yeah, let's go out for a drive. Alright, she is still warming up. We're at 46 degrees, 18 degrees outside. Well, intake air temp is 18. So once I get the silencer, I'll work out the vehicle speed. There we go, just drop down. We're at 50 now. Just gonna get out the front. Now, I may scrape quite a bit, and like I said before, I'll get the tow bar off if it scrapes really bad. Just gonna close the gates. Now, I've got to go out this way. I'm probably going to scrape. Not bad. Logging. That was not good. Yeah, that's the most I've ever had it on gate. it's not sounding good. That's way too loud. I seriously just smoke screened a couple on a motorbike. I feel really bad. When that pop went, it just covered the whole lane. I don't know if that was from wastegate or from the exhaust. It was pretty loud, probably full exhaust. I probably actually burnt off a lot of fuel that was sitting in the exhaust, because that's the hardest I've pushed it. I was logging, so that's good. Hopefully I didn't damage anything. Yeah, too loud. Alright, I don't think I'll be driving it for a little while. I'm going to take this tow bar off, so that can come up probably another inch. We'll get a silencer for it. It's scraped pretty bad coming in. I think it was the wheel on the guard, because these aren't rolled at all. They are temporary guards. Alright guys, I'll have a look at the log later, but for now, that's it for this episode. Next episode, we're going to get back onto the Skyline. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.